So this particular pad is a 34, if Justin, you want to hold that up. Then we have, this would be a 32, all right? And then we also have an example of a 28. So pads come in all sizes, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, all the way up through 36. There's 2 measurements on every pad. Everything will say 30, this one happens to be a 34 plus 1, this one happens to be a 32 plus 1, and this one happens to be your 28 plus 1. Now that second number, I get a ton of people that ask me, what does that second number mean? The second number, the reason that you see plus 1s and plus 2s on everything is with the way today's goaltenders play, everybody wanted to get a higher what we call thigh rise. Thigh rise is the measurement from the middle of the knee to the top of the pad. So in the old days, guys didn't play with such tall pads, and we made just a straight 32-inch or a straight 33-inch. There was no such thing as a thigh rise. With the advent of the butterfly and playing in a down position more, guys wanted a taller pad to close up that 5-hole. Thus, we started making the standard size 32 with a plus 1. So say the standard size on a 32 was a 6-inch thigh rise. Now a 32 plus 1 means that it's a 7-inch thigh rise. Same thing on this one, which is a 34 plus 1. So say the standard thigh rise on a 34 was a 7-inch. All right, now it's an 8-inch in a 34 plus 1, and we'll have goalies that go all the way up to 34 plus 3. So what they're doing is they're getting it to fit really well in the knee cradle. So you don't want to go to a 36-inch pad even though you're in a 34 plus 3. You want to be in a 34-inch pad, but you want to have a taller pad to cover your 5-hole, or it could be that you're kind of short from ankle to knee, but you have a very long torso. Thus, you want that thigh rise to be higher. So if the 34 plus 1 had a standard 7-inch thigh rise, in a 34 plus 3, it would now have a 10-inch thigh rise. All right, so that's what that second number means, and you won't find any pads anymore in stores that just say 32, 33, or 34. Everything will be a plus 1 or a plus 2, something like that, just because of the way the game's played these days.